and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Jake. I do content on lifestyle, beauty and fashion. It's been a minute since I did anything on fashion, and if you're a regular here, thank you so much for coming back to view more of my content. So today is on Saturday. I am about to go out and head to work. I work on Saturdays half day, so that's what I'm about to do, but I thought I'd introduce this video because I'm intending to either schedule it to go up tomorrow or upload it today. I'm not yet sure about that. So this is me introducing this video. So how are you guys doing? If you are new here, please consider subscribing, like the video, and consider watching my previous videos so that we can get to at least 1,000 subscribers. We are currently at around 650 something subscribers. Subscribe. Actually, I realized for my statistics, 89% of you guys have not subscribed. 89% of the people who watch me have not subscribed. So if you're one of those 89% people, kindly consider subscribing. It's going to take you just a minute to do that, a second actually. And before even you watch the video, give it a big thumbs up so that it can be recommended to many people out there. So I'm introducing this video. I did a house tour of my house, which is this current house I'm living in. I recently moved in here. I'm not even yet a month old here, and I have not yet uploaded the video of the house tour. And since some people have been asking me in my DM, so it's the house tour, this is me, do an intro for it. So enjoy the video, and again consider subscribing if you have not subscribed. And if you are a subscriber, before you watch the video, kindly give us a like. Also consider leaving me a comment down below. I'm going to appreciate it. So enjoy the video, and bye. When I'm at the entrance of the house, the first thing that you see when you get in the house is the washroom area. I love how spacious this washroom is, and I love the door. If you are a regular here, you know that I hated the door for my previous house. The washroom itself was my least favorite thing in that house, and I'm glad to have this space that is so beautiful. The washroom is so spacious. The tiling on the wall is so well done and perfect. The color itself is just amazing. I love how that, what is that called? See, whatever your tank ya maji, how it is. I love that they have installed a bulb for me right there. The seat cover was not installed at this point, but by the time I was moving in, it was installed. Yeah, basically I really loved this washroom area in this house. It's just amazing. From the washroom, now we go to the kitchen stroke dining area. Yes, I have a dining area finally. I love this house, the way it has been planned. I love that they have open shelves, because the idea I have in my head, it can only be actualized with open shelves. I love the space in the kitchen area is quite spacious, not that big, but it's gonna do the work. And now this is the dining area where I intend to have a little dining table, made, and I'm going to have it right here because the space on the kitchen area is so big. And now here we go to the living room stroke bed area. Yeah, I'm standing at the farthest corner, which is the dining space. That's where I'm standing, and right, that space over there is the place I intend to have as my living room space. You can see that over there. You can go check that out. This is the space I want to have as my living room space. This one right here. And ta-da! I have my sleeping space or bedroom space or bedroom area. I love these tiles. I'm not a big fan of the floral tiles. I love the painting in this house. I love them that they have installed curtain rods for me. Squeezy see nyumba zote, you find that. So I really love that about this house. Now this is my small bedroom area that is big enough to fit my bed, and I have a living room area right here because that's the space that's a bedroom area, and this is the living room area. And now again, That is the space from the furthest corner of the living room area, and you can see how spacious this house is. I love everything about it, honestly. I love everything about it. So I'm so happy to start life here. I initially wanted to move January of this year so that I can start the year from a clean slate. But even if I'm not going to move, I've not moved. I know January, it's still early, the year is still young, so I'm starting off my life again here, and I love it, honestly. I love that. The main problem I had from my previous house is sockets, and I have the sockets right there. Then I have these other ones here, and then I have the kitchen area. You see, I have sockets here. I love the tiling in the kitchen space. They have amazing tiling. As you can see, the building is new, like the house is new. I'm the first person who's living here, as you can see. I have the cabinet space here. I love how open it is, because now I'll be able to, display my cute utensils that I'm about to buy. And I love I have enough space down here, and it's all done down here as well. That pipe over here is not well done, but they're going to fix it before I come. That is today. And yeah, that's it for my house, my new space. I was contemplating whether I should share this, but because I want to come back in the future and see this, I had to shoot this, not only for myself but also for people, someone who might get motivated from this. So yeah, that is guy. I love that they have installed this bulb for me here, a kitchen bulb. Let me show you how it lights. Ta-da! And I have the same bulb in the bathroom space, so I'll just have to buy a chandelier and have it here. I'm going to get a chandelier, guys. I'm going to do that. I have it there, and maybe I'm intending to do so much in this space, and I can't wait. I can't wait to do everything I want to do in here. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope that you have enjoyed, and I think I can give my 2 cents to anyone out there who is feeling like they are stuck in life or things are not moving for them. Honey, I was there. I've been there for quite some time, and I know it's not easy. It's not an easy journey to go through. It's people are pressing. Because they're looking at me some type of way. So I'm saying it's not easy. It requires a lot of commitment, believing in yourself, trusting yourself that things are going to work out for you. And when you do that and you keep doing you keep pushing, things somehow finally come, to be for you. Because me being here, for someone else, being in this house is just nothing much to them, but for me this is like a huge milestone for me, because I've always been wishing to have a big house which I can style up and decorate the way I want in my head, because I've been into interior decor for some time now, but all the houses I've been living in the past, they have not been giving me the motivation that I need to put it out there, to put out my interior decor ideas, because they were not aesthetically giving. They were not even motivating me to do anything in them like my previous house. Because if you watched my house tour for my previous house, you saw I didn't do much in there, and that's because that house was not motivating me. But this current house that I'm living in, I'm going to do so much there. I can't wait to share that with y'all. So if you're out there, just keep moving, keep going, keep doing new, keep doing whatever you're doing, keep doing what you love, and when the timing is right, the Lord is gonna make it happen. And yeah, I think that's my parting shot for you guys. I think I'm going to see you guys on my next video. I don't know what it's going to be about, but whatever it's going to be about, see you guys then. Bye, and I love you all, and I appreciate the support so far. Again, subscribe. Let's get to 1K subs. Bye guys, and thank you so much.